35. Rate of interest and time are roots of the quadratic equation. SI asked principle they have to give. Without principle, how can we find SI? For finding SI, what you need? P you need, N you need, I you need. P you need, N you need, I. Multiply, result is SI. P not given. N and I given, roots of the equation. SI asked me, P missing. So while printing they missed the entry. Now you write. If a sum rupees 500, if a sum rupees 500 is invested on SI, rupees 500 is a missing. If you have some basic knowledge on quadratic equation is the next chapter I have to teach. Until then, whether you are supposed to know quadratic equation because 9th standard or 10th standard, the chapter quadratic equation you might have. That was the quadratic equation solving you should know. Separate I will teach quadratic equation chapter, full length and breadth I will teach. But this problem, quadratic equation, how to solve. But steps, what are the steps you have to write? Problem 35. P rupees 500. You correct the problem. It is not given an insert. P 500. Roots of the quadratic equation. Yes, I asked. P rupees 500 given in the problem, but in the problem they have not mentioned, you insert omission. What are the mistakes in the present book? I didn't rectify it. Assuming it is correct, I proceeded. Then yesterday also I landed a problem. And this problem also some P not given. Side. One vertical line you put. Side you have to indicate. The quadratic equation is x squared. This is a quadratic equation. That's also not clearly given. 11x plus 30 is equal to 0. This is the correct way of the quadratic equation. In the book, double is equal to sign they are given. Is equal to they are given. This is correct. How to solve the quadratic equation? 30 you take. You split two number. You have to split. Total should be equal to minus 11. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 11. Multiplication 30 you have to get. If you add the minus 11 you have to get. Multiplication 30. Addition minus 11. Minus 6, minus 5. The 11x should be broken. X squared minus 6x minus 5x plus 30 is equal to 0. X bracket x minus 6 minus 5 bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 6 bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 6 must be 0. Otherwise second bracket must be 0. Otherwise both the brackets 0. Root means x value. Quadratic equation I will teach. Until then if you do not know, accept it. Six is a root. 5 is a root. This is the method by which we can find the values of x. You have to split it. You have to write like this. First bracket 0 you have to put it. Second bracket you have to put 0. First bracket 0 means x is equal to 6, x is equal to 5. These are the roots. Roots mean value. Now, n is equal to 6. N value 6. R is equal to 5. One student can ask, why so you are taking n 6? Why can't you take n 5? They didn't say. Roots are represent n number of year and rate of interest. Two roots we have. So you can assume, I am assuming 6 represent n, 5 represent r. No, I am not inclined. I am not inclined to your assumption. It is a democratic country. You have a freedom and right. I am also equally have freedom and right. Means you write R is equal to 6, N is equal to 5, you can write. I am not objecting, I am giving a freedom also. Everyone has got right. Not that if you assume N is equal to 6 alone, not that right. 5 also you can assume. Below a right. N is equal to 6, R is equal to 5%, I is equal to 0.05. Side. Even we can assume, even we can say N is equal to 5, R is equal to 6%. Quadratic equation you have to solve. X2, x value will be getting. The two x value represent the number of year and rate of interest. Any one is R, other one is N. Now you know P 500 missing. You insert P is 500. The 500 is missing. Don't think how 500 is got missing. Insert immediately correct the problem. Of the interest principle. This problem quadratic equation knowledge is required. Quadratic equation, when I take the chapter, I will tell what is the root, how to calculate the root, what is the quadratic equation, what are the things you should know about quadratic equation. For doing by everything elaborate I will teach. Here how to solve the quadratic equation. Side you have to indicate. One value n, other value r. P given, yes I asked you. That's all. Formula you apply. Thirty-sixth problem. Your sum becomes 692 in